Okay, this is Fred Burrow Swift Plumbers, and this is my second video. As you can see, I've got all the water onto the home, and we have no leak showing up on the meter. I'm going to show you that all the water's on at this time, but our leak triangle is not moving, and there's no water coming up the pipe that was leaking. So I'm going to show you. That's what's going on. This house has been sold, has a sale pending. It has copper, soft copper pipe in it, though. That is an inferior product. So that shows you right there that the meter has no movement on it. Close this. I'll walk you inside and show you what we did. So no movement at this water meter. If you see in video 1, we installed a water heater yesterday. It also had a leak because of that inferior soft rolled copper. Just changing out a water heater can often cause leaks in the system, unfortunately. Doesn't always happen, but it does happen. So you're going to see now with all of the water on, there is no water. This is all dry. Nothing coming around from the heater. Before it was coming up because of the pinhole leak in the copper. Go over here, and I'm going to show you what we got. Go into the house. Andrew's cleaning up for us. And right here, I had to break through a footer. Very hard leak location. So you could see everything's dry. Before, in my first video, you could see the foam that was around this pipe. The water was running up it from that leak way down there. So I had to carefully chip around these pipes without hitting them. I did. Now I always tell people this copper is so bad you can get another leak at any time, unfortunately, but it's soft. It's weak, and what happens is I had to move this pipe to get my rubber where the leak is. See how close it is to the wall? Because I couldn't get my demo hammer between them two without taking a chance of hitting the pipe. So trying to protect the pipe, I gingerly moved this pipe out. Guess what happened? See where this other clamp is? It started spraying a leak right there. So I ended up with a second leak anyway, even trying to be careful. But whenever you have a leak inside a footer where you've got all these pipes and you're chipping away at it, and you're trying to avoid hitting pipes because you don't know where you're going to run into them in the cement. So you have to do it very slowly and carefully with a demo hammer, chiseling away like an artist. But you can see clearly I've gotten that all done. You've seen that I had the water on. I'm going to show you the water pressure. And there are no other leaks at this time. So it's very dusty. You're gonna need some cleaning done in this room. I did keep this door shut, trying to contain the gust to this room, and we kept this window open. But all of this stuff, we kept that on because at least maybe you don't have to wash the sheets just to comfort her. But this should all get cleaned up for her. You can see we're gonna temporarily patch this up. But we're going to leave that open for the cement to dry. I am going to fill that in with cement, but what the strategy is I'm going to put dirt up there around them pipes because we don't want to bury them. So there'll be a piece of plastic and some dirt around them pipes, and then we'll put some cement on the top to it. So that's what we're going to do, right, Andrew?